Okay, it is a beautiful spring afternoon, and I have in front of me a cool new solar irrigation kit, which I am going to use. I actually have a great use for it here. These are our milkweed plants, which are part of our butterfly garden, and I've just added a couple new ones throughout here. And so with this kit, I can use the power of the sun down here in southern Florida to power a pump which will drip irrigate all of these pots easily and keep everybody healthy and running. This actually has a 3,000 milliamp hour battery, which on sunny days like today, if it charges itself fully, will run up to 2 weeks on those kind of cloudy, yucky days. So only one thing to do. Let's set it up, make sure it works, and we will let it run for a couple days, come back, and I'll give you my review of how it's doing. All right, let's set it up. Comes with some cute little tools for doing your gardening. That's the hose, scissor. It comes complete with a scissor to cut the hose. Here is the solar panel itself, which you can adjust schedule, like how many minutes you want it to water, how many days a week you want it to water. All that is controllable here. One additional thing I wanted to show you, which is important, is this anti-siphoning check valve, which keeps it from losing its ability to pull water in. One thing I will tell you, you will need a magnifying glass to read these instructions. Okay, that was nice and easy to set up. I will say I was expecting a real pain in the butt with this hose because I figured it was going to be cheap and hard to work with. It was super easy to work with. Everything was easy to set up. The only time it was a little bit of a pain in the butt is the nipples where it connects to the actual timer are completely different size. You can get them on there, but it takes a little bit of work, no big deal. It's all set up. I have each and every one of these plants set up to be watered daily for 30 minutes. Only one thing to do. Let me let it run for a week and I'll come back, let you know how it worked out. All right, here we are. It's been about a week of this running. The system has worked perfectly. I barely had to adjust it at all. Everything fed itself and distributed the water just the way I initially set it up. I did have to refill the bottle once, but outside of that, it has been super easy, super cool to work with. Definitely a winner as far as I'm concerned. We'll give it a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking for a simple system like this, really works well.